I'm going to show you how to quickly fix a common issue with garbage disposals, which is it basically won't turn on. If you flip the switch and nothing happens, it's likely due to a tripped disposal or a jam. Look under the disposal, there's a little red switch or a little red button. That is a safety reset button. It's a feature that can get triggered when the motor is overloaded or the disposal gets jammed. Just push the button in and it should click, and then see if that fixes the problem. 9 times out of 10, that's all it is. Now, a plumber would charge you at least $50 just to do that. If it makes some kind of motor humming noise, but there's no movement, you may have something jammed down in there. It could be anything from a utensil, a bone. I've seen a little piece of rock from a goldfish bowl get caught in and jam the disposal. Firstly, and very important, unplug it. Get a 1/4-inch hex wrench and place it in the center shaft at the bottom of the disposal and see if you can dislodge whatever it is that's jamming it by moving the wrench back and forth. And you may need to get a screwdriver or some kind of implement to dislodge the rock or whatever it is that's jamming it. So now, after all of that, plug it back in and flip the switch. And if you still hear nothing, or the disposal is still buzzing, but you were able to turn that wrench freely, and the circuit breaker of your home is not tripped, you may have a failing or failed disposal. There's some links in the descriptions for a good replacement disposal, and I also have a video on how to install a new disposal. It's not that difficult to do, and it will save you quite a bit of money if you do it yourself. Thanks for watching. I hope that saved you some money and time. Please give it a like and a share or a comment, and even a tip is appreciated if you're so inclined. Thanks, and have a good one.